In September, Jaguar opened up a state-of-the-art design studio in the UK that, for the first time in the company's 84-year history, assembled the entire design team. The studio is more than 12,000 square meters, doubling the previous footprint. It's enough room for the approximately 280 designers with backgrounds in everything from fashion and watchmaking to sports and gaming to simultaneously work on 20 full-size clay models. This week, the company unveiled the new 2021 Jaguar F-Type, a new high-end sports car that starts at a little more than $70,000 US. The F-Type R, which starts around $101,000, has a 5-liter supercharged V8 that generates 575 horsepower and 516 foot-pounds of torque. The R accelerates from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds and has an electronically limited max speed of 186 miles per hour. Though it says, posted limits, etc. Jaguar used the launch, as well as a new partnership with Hot Wheels, to show off the new design studio from a unique perspective. As part of the partnership, Hot Wheels created a 1/64 scale model of the F-Type and built a 761-foot-long custom track that stretched through the design studio. With 25 loops and 55 boosters, the track traveled over various workspaces and even through its life-sized counterpart. The designers from Jaguar and Hot Wheels used the CAD data from the real car to create a precise 3D printed recreation. The Hot Wheels team also recreated the Velocity blue color and even hand-painted the F-Type badge on the back. The custom-built track was designed and developed under the tutelage of official Hot Wheels master track designer Paul Schmidt. And on the track, the tiny F-Type reaches scale speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. The real version will be on sale early next year. The Hot Wheels version won't be on the market until November 2020. But I just want to know how angry the designers were when they built a test track over their workspace. I mean, I have real deadlines here, people! Not me. We're like 2 minutes away from quitting time and we're filming this thing. That is my bad. 2 minutes! Ooh, sorry guys. It's my birthday. I'm David Manti. This is IEN Now.